everyone, Dr. Jeff for you today. A gorgeous day here. The Friday long weekend. Have a little nice cold snack to have for lunch today. I thought today we talk a little about something called brain freeze. I'm sure everybody's kind of suffered from this. It's kind of when you get something cold real quick and you get a headache from it. And the technical term for this is sphenopalatine ganglioneuralgia. That's the technical term for it. But what happens with this is that in the back of your throat, you've got two arteries. You've got the internal carotid artery that goes up and it supplies blood to the brain. And you've got the anterior cerebral artery that goes up and supplies blood to the covering of the brain called your meninges. And arteries they really don't like, your brain really don't like rapid changes in things. So if something cold gets in the back of your throat, those arteries will constrict so they get narrower. And that goes up and you get less blood into your brain and the meninges. And it kind of panics and constricts and it thinks you're having a stroke. And then what happens is the brain panics and it overreacts, and now it dilates, and now you get lots of blood and it gets a swelling, and that's when you get this headache. So we call that a brain freeze. So the way to prevent a brain freeze is don't get something really cold and throw it in the back of your throat like a Freezy or an ice cream or popsicle or a really cold drink. If that does happen, you can always, what you can do with it is you can take your tongue and throw it on the back of your throat. And by throwing it on the back of your throat, that's going to warm up your throat and warm up the blood, and that will help get rid of the headache. You can also get some warm water, and just not hot water, just either room temperature or a little bit warmer. Put that in, gargle with that, put it in the back of your throat, and once again, that will actually warm those vessels up, and that'll get rid of your headache. So try not to get a headache by eating something cold really quick, and use your tongue or some water to get rid of it. I'm sure everybody's had this one time in their life. It's a great long weekend. Hope you enjoy it. And if you get something cold, eat it slowly. I'm Dr. Jeff. I've got your back.